How to fix an earth problem on your backlights in a car. Well, sometimes you'll see that an indicator isn't quite working, or works sometimes, or very dim, or not even working at all. So you probably need a new earth. And you can see we've soldered on a new earth here. So the other side, let's have a connection here. So you'll often see an earth point in the back of the car in one of the pillars. So what we'll need to do is disconnect the electrics from the light cluster and remove the whole unit. So whatever car you have, the electrics will be the same. Just squeeze a little tab on the end, lift out, and the cluster, let's have two tabs. There'll be one here and one on the other side. Push together, and that will reveal the cluster. So today we're in the back of a Peugeot 307, so we just need access to the earth, and we've got to remove a few body panels inside just to get to it. So here's the earthing point right here. So undo the earthing point, put the new wire in, and then put the earthing point back together. When you've got the earth point in, just do the reverse of what you've done before. So put the cluster back in, push until it snaps, and then put the electrics in, and you're done.